Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 23F. So in the first question, it is given to find the area of the parallelogram having base and height. Means base is given and height is given. So area of the parallelogram will be base into height. This is the formula of area of parallelogram. So the formula is base into height. So just multiply 4.5 into 2.4. We will get 34.8 centimeter square. Then the second question. It is given the height of the parallelogram is 3/8 of the base. That means the height is 3/8 of base. So let the base of the parallelogram be x and height is equals to 3/8 of x. So area will be base into height. That means x into 3x by 8. So 3x square by 8. Then area is given in your book, that is 96 centimeter square. So 96 centimeter square will be equal to 3x square by 8. Because this is also the area. So if we just calculate this equation, we will get the value of x, and the value of x is 16 centimeter. So x is 16 centimeter, which means x is what? X is base. So base is 16 centimeter. Then height will be equals to 3/8 of x. That means 3/8 into 16. That means 6 centimeters. So let's coming on question number 3. Question number 3 is you have given ABCD is a parallelogram having adjacent sides. AB is equals to 35 centimeter and BC is equals to 28 centimeter. So AB is given and altitude is given, that is 8 centimeter. In the first question, the first bit, it is given that altitude is 8. That means this is one is the altitude which is given 8 centimeter. So let the base be 35 centimeter. So base into height, that means 35 into 8 is equals to 280 centimeter squares. Then in the second bit, it is given the base has changed, which is equals to 28 centimeter. So height will be equals to area by base. So area already calculated in bit number 1. So just put the value of area here. 280 by base. What is base? Base is 28. So height will be equals to 10 centimeter. And then question number 4. In question number 4, first of all, let me read the question. What is the question? Find the area of rhombus whose diagonals are. Means you have to find the area of rhombus. In a rhombus, all the sides are equal and the length of the diagonals are 12 and 21. So area will be equals to product of diagonals by 2. This is the formula of the area of the rhombus. Okay, you have to read and learn it. So product of the diagonals means diagonals are already given in the question. 12 and 21. So 12 into 21, the product of the diagonals, it means multiplied and divided by 2. So 2 6 are 12. 6 into 21, that is 126 centimeter square. And then question number 5. In question number 5, find the area of rhombus having each side equal to 20 centimeter and one of its diagonal equals to 24 centimeter. Means you have to find the area of rhombus having each side equal to 20 centimeter. Means each side is 20. Means 20, 20, 20 and 20. So one diagonal is 24 centimeter. So we all know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Means the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Means if it is bisected by right angle, then if this line is 24, then this will be equals to 12 and this will be equals to 12. So AO is equals to OC and BO is equals to OD. So in triangle AOB means AOB, what's given? AB square हमें निकालना है. AB square is already given So AB square is equals to 20 square is equals to AO is what? 12 square, and OB is equals to OB. You have to find out OB, that means this one. If you are able to find this, then just multiply this one by 2. You will be able to get the whole diagonal. Okay, so OB square will be equals to 400, and 144 will get to the left side, and then 400 minus 144 you will get 256. 16 का square होता है 256, so OB will be equals to 16. Then OB will be equals to 16, and BD, I have already said the half of the diagonal into 2 will get the full diagonal, that means 32. So you will get two diagonals. First diagonal is 24 and the second one is 32. So just divide these two numbers by 2, you will get area. So area is equals to 384 centimeter square. This is a very easy question, very simple. And then question number 6. In the question number 6, here given area of rhombus is given, that is 234 centimeter square. Length of one diagonal is given. Second diagonal, you have to find out the length of the second diagonal. So area will be equals to area into 2, because area into has gone here. So 2 into area into, first of all let me see the form. Let me write the formula. Area will be equals to diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 upon 2. So if one diagonal is given to you, then the formula will become 2 into area upon diagonal 1. So you will get area. Clear? So that is why this formula becomes in this way. So 234 into 2 upon first diagonal is 19.5. So second diagonal will be equals to 24